So this is how you download and import the ice cream CSV file that I uploaded into the 2.11 this and or that folder. So click upload, choose the file. It's called ice cream. Click that, click OK, and then click on it, click import dataset, and you're going to skip the first one. You can include it, it won't cause any problems, but I would just skip it because it's not important. Okay, so then you'll get something like this. From here, you can do some things. If you could do stuff like filtering. You could count the total number of flavors, people who just like vanilla, all kinds of stuff with that. But you can also use tally. And so my recommendation is to tally by flavor and then facet by gender. So if you do that, then, oh, sorry, wrong table. So ice cream, there you go. So the code is tally, the variable is flavor, the facet is gender, data is ice cream. So this will give you the number of people who like different flavors by their gender. You could also do it the other way around. Gender and flavor. So when you do this, it's a little cleaner to look at the other one, but they both do the job. So when you're going to do this, when you're going to fill this in, you want to come up with you want to use the numbers in R. And so you're going to go in here and you say, okay, so let's start with I'll start with maybe vanilla. So the flavor vanilla. So this variable, this right here is people who like vanilla and chocolate. So it breaks it down into the different pieces. So strawberry, and then the vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and then vanilla and strawberry. So all of the different variables. So we want people who like vanilla. So there are 2 males who like vanilla and strawberry. There are 2 males that like all of them. So that's 5. And then this vanilla chocolate, that is somebody who likes vanilla. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then somebody likes just vanilla. So that's 8, 9, 10. Those are the only ones with the vanilla in it. So there's 10 right there. So fill in total male is 10. And then go in here, and then we need to figure out female. So here's strawberry, so here's vanilla. So there's 0 there, so 3, 7. Okay, so, and then you can also do it just by flavor. So when you go through here, there's 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 17. And you can add them all up too. So 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6. So you can use R as well to calculate it. So the total people that like it is 17. So just like here, and then there's 0 who fit there. So then you're going to go and you're going to fill it in all the values. And so for example, you could do the same thing that I did right here with gender. Okay, so I know that there's a total of 13 males. So right here, I put 13. And same thing here. So whatever the chocolate, it shall add up to the total number of people who like chocolate. Whatever strawberry it is, it should add up to the total number of people who like strawberry. And then you're going to use that to find out the probabilities of everything. All right, so that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a lovely day.